Adorned with the title of Son of Manipur, who had won the coveted title of Mr. India 1970 and Mr. Universe 1971, Nongthomba Maipak Singh expired yesterday early night at around 6:30 p.m. at RIMS ICU ward due to health problems. He was 88 years. A flashback of the achievement of Nongthomba Maipak Singh, Mr. India and Mr. Universe take us back as long as 1966, when there was a talent hunt program for exploring wrestling players from Manipur. A famous wrestler from Haryana came to Manipur to impart training for around 3 weeks. After teaching various techniques during the camp, the coach threw an open challenge to the Manipuri participants if any one of them could beat him in wrestling. On the instigation of the then Education Director Thangzam Modu and former Prajatantra editor L. Joy Chandra, a courageous young man came out and fought with the coach. He could save the prestige of Manipur by defeating the famous wrestler with a few secret techniques of indigenous Mugna. Ashamed by the incident, the renowned coach steadily left the camp. The person who demonstrated the strength and skills of Manipur was none other than Nongthomba Maipak, who is better known as Mr. Maipak. Born on 12 June 1935 at Uripok, Sorbon Thingel, Sinam Lekai, Maipak is the second son of Nongthomba Komal Singh and Tampaklei Devi. By the year 1948, he began to explore a game that could identify Manipur to the outside states. With his healthy and fit body, Maipak began to take interest in bodybuilding, weightlifting, athletics, etc. During Second World War period, Maipak happened to see an army lieutenant colonel who temporarily resided at Naurem Thong, Imphal, practicing weightlifting regularly in morning and evening daily. On seeing the charming body structure of the army, Colonel Maipak decided to take up bodybuilding as a sport. After the war, he collected the iron remains of the war from Chingmairong area one by one and to be used as weight bars. After careful deformation of the iron, he used them in the weightlifting. By that time, one S. Sunil Chandra for Samusang Imphal was the trainer in weightlifting. In the trial for the Mr. Universe contest in Darjeeling in 1971, Maipak became the only bodybuilder qualified for the contest by outdoing other 7 builders from the various parts of India. As the lone competitor from India, he participated in the Mr. Universe contest in Paris on 25th and 26th September the same year. Maipak held the 10th position among the 72 contestants of the coveted title. He also got the special prize for demonstrating mythological base pose. Some of the styles demonstrated by him during the contest were a dancing khamba pose of combing, pulling of rope, Lord Krishna with the flute, a dancing Mahadev, Christ on the cross, etc. Maipak served as sports officer at the rank of sub-inspector in Manipur Police from 1970 to 1973. Afterward, he worked in the fields and rare animals before being an employee of the State Education Department in 1977. The then Chief Minister Yang Maso Saija created a special job for him in the Education Department. Later on, Maipak became the bodybuilding coach in State Sports Department.